F-150 Lariat with 71,000 miles. Yes, 71,000 miles. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. All of our vehicles get a 125-point pre-owned inspection before we sell them. It will need nothing. You'll be lucky to find a door ding in this thing, very clean. Tires are like new. It's a hunter green. Tow package, rear parking sensors. Bed liner sprayed in. Running boards. Super clean truck, rust-free Texas vehicle. Looks better in person. Do my best to show you every angle. Beige leather seats are like new. No rips, stains, or wear marks on the seats. Carfax report, original floor mats. Automatic transmission, heated seats, AM, FM, CD. 71,000 miles, if you can read that. With the video it's scrolling, but it has 71,000. No cracked ash. Heated power seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. Incredibly clean truck. Wow. So this is a 2006 Ford F-150 Crew Cab, 71,000 miles Lariat. Just in wonderful condition, perfect vehicle for students, super clean truck, needs nothing.